Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I've achieved these lock knots. You'll need some oil, retwisting cream, and some rubber bands. So I'm just going to unravel one of my knots for you guys so you can actually see the process. So I decided to do my knots on 2-string twists, but it can be done on single strand locks. So I start by retwisting just regularly with some cream in order to achieve my 2-string twist. Then I twist both sides together in the opposite direction in order to create some traction, and then I just twist it down the length of my hair. So I fold the ends of my hair together on itself to make it look neat, and then I place a rubber band. About halfway up the length of your hair, twist the lock around itself until you get to the very end. Then take the end of the hair and stick it through the loop and pull it tight until it forms a knot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.